Very bright, dazzling. The lights are very bright in here. They're hurting my eyes. The lights are dazzling in here. They're hurting my eyes. Very hot, burning. I didn't drink enough water before I went out sunbathing, and now I'm very hot. I didn't drink enough water before I went out sunbathing, and now I'm burning. Very much, abundantly. The plant grows very much in the forests. The plant grows abundantly in the forests. Very quiet, muffled. I could hear very quiet voices from the next room. I could hear muffled voices from the next door. Very short, low. The garden was surrounded by a very short hedge. The garden was surrounded by a low hedge. Very tired, exhausted. I'm very tired to take the dog for a walk. I'm exhausted to take the dog for a walk. Very ugly, hideous. I think a lot of modern architecture is very ugly. I think a lot of modern architecture is hideous. Very weak, fragile. Small mammal bones are very weak. Small mammal bones are fragile. Very clear, obvious. Our new television has a very clear picture. Our new television has an obvious picture. Very dirty, filthy. Wash your hands before dinner. They're very dirty. Wash your hands before dinner. They're filthy. Very dry, barren. We drove through a very dry, rocky landscape. We drove through a barren, rocky landscape. Very hungry, starving. Is there anything to eat? I'm very hungry. Is there anything to eat? I'm starving. Very scary, frightening. The idea of surgery was very scary to me. The idea of surgery was frightening to me. Very nice, kind. He's a very nice guy. He is a kind guy. Very sharp, keen. The point of this pencil isn't very sharp. The point of this pencil isn't keen. Very tasty, delicious. That was a very tasty lunch. Thank you. That was a delicious lunch. Thank you. Very sure, certain. I'm very sure I left my purse on the desk. I'm certain I left my purse on the desk. Very thirsty, parched. After 3 hours in the heat, we were very thirsty. After 3 hours in the heat, we were parched. Very calm, serene. It was a very calm of the countryside that he loved so much. It was a serene of the countryside that he loved so much. Very colorful, vibrant. The hope is that this area will develop into a very colorful commercial center. The hope is that this area will develop into a vibrant commercial center. Very great, terrific. The party was a very great success. The party was a terrific success. Very crowded, bustling. Don't go there in the peak season. It'll be hot and very crowded. Don't go there in the peak season. It'll be hot and bustling. Very mean, cruel. Children can be very mean to each other. Children can be cruel to each other. Very loose, slack. There were some very loose wires hanging out of the wall. There were some slack wires hanging out of the wall.